solve these equations. Here you have 2x, 2 outside of a bracket. So let's take a note of this. For this one, we've got 2 open bracket 5x plus 3 close bracket is equal to 12x subtract 3. Okay, so we have to clear brackets. We have to free up this x from inside of the bracket, get it out of the bracket, but we cannot just pluck it out like that. We have to multiply by 2. That's how we clear brackets. In algebra, clear brackets by multiplying. 2 5s are 10. Okay, just delete. 2 5s are 10x, and 2 3s are 6 because we are distributing 2 5s and 2 3s. 2 5s are 10x, 2 3s are 6, and now the x is free from the bracket. And when we look closely now, we have an x on the left, that's 10. We have 10 x's on the left, and we have 12 x's on the right. So there are more x's on the right. Okay, 12 of them, in fact. So it is easier now to cancel out the 10 x's we have on the left. Okay, easier to cancel out these 10 x's because we're going to have a 12 subtract a 10. That's going to give us a nice 2, a nice wholesome 2. Okay, so it is recommended to cancel out the smaller x's. All right, easier to take out 10 than take out 12. Okay, so we are left with a 6, positive 6 alone on the left, and we have 12 subtract 10 will give us 2x on the right. So we have a positive 2x. Good. Now we're going to cancel out negative 3 by adding. On the right, you have to do on the left. Plus 3 on the right, plus 3 on the left. Okay, so now we are going to confirm that 6 plus 3 will give us 9, and negative 3 plus 3 is 0. Okay, and to divide by 2 on both sides, divide by 2 on the right, divide by 2 on the left. And it doesn't matter, even though we get a fraction. If you want, you can convert it to a decimal. You can leave it as 9/2. Okay, or you can put it as 4.5. 4.5. X is equal to 4.5. Okay. If we are not certain of the answer, you can make a quick proof. Optional. Grab the original. Okay. Always the X, you put 4.5. That's another way of writing 4.5. 4.5. Okay. Now, 5 times 4.5 plus 3 times 2. It can be easily done. All right. It can be easily done in your calculator. Okay. And 12 times 4.5 minus 3, we're supposed to get the same answer. Okay, let's see what we get. Well, the proof is optional, eh? The proof is optional. You don't really have to prove, but just to confirm that's the answer, you can do your proof. Okay. So here comes the calculator, just to prove that our answer is actually 4.5. You can do that with yours whilst the calculator is loading. We have 5 times 4.5. 5 4s are 20. 5 times a half is 2.5. 22.5 plus 3. That's 25.5 times 2. Okay, let's check it out there. So we have 2 open bracket 5 times 4.5, right? Close bracket, where we have to add 3. Okay, 51. Okay, 25.5 times 2. Now 12 times 4.5 minus 3, 51 also. So the answer is 4.5. So we get 51 is equal to 51. Okay.